we're going to connect our website to a very important page called Google Search Console. And you can type that in Google like that, Google Search Console. Then you can just click here. And we have to connect our website to this page. So I'm just going to type in the domain. And you click continue. Now, there's some text here that you need to paste into your WIX page at the right place. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to first click copy. I'm going to copy this text here, the TXT record. And then I'm going to go into my WIX site. And in my dashboard, I will go and look for the domain section. And I'll look for my page. And under my page, I will click Manage DNS Records. Look for the TXT section and click Add Record. In the value here, you just have to paste the thing that was copied from here. So I press Command V to paste, and I just click Save. Now, just a note, you don't need to fill anything in here. Only if it's blank would you have to add onlinemusicworkshops.com. But by default, the name is already there. So just leave it blank. You don't have to worry about that. Leave this page open. Come back after an hour and just click Verify. And your page will be connected to Google Search Console, which is very important.